What's up, everybody? How is everybody doing today? I am so hungry. I hope you guys are too. And I hope you're here to eat with me. I have 4 different kinds of sushi today. Don't mind my ratchet fingernail. We went to main event and I got a little too excited, okay? Sorry. But I haven't made it to the nail salon to fix it yet. But today we got sushi. Y'all, I messed up and forgot to write down which one is which. So we have a crunch roll, which I believe is this. We have a dragon, is it dragon? Dragon roll, which I believe is this one. It has eel on the top of it, eel and avocado. Shrimp, crab. It looks so good. New, different. Fried spring rolls over here. Got some sweet and sour. And y'all, I cannot use chopsticks to save my life, but I am attempting to today. Just for the fun of it. So make fun of me all you want. Okay? So, let's see. I can't use them for anything, but maybe I'll get lucky today. It's been a long time since I tried. For some reason, I have difficulties holding them with my fingers. I think, yeah, maybe. I don't know, we'll try. But I don't know which one I want to try first. This one's about to fall off down here. See, I can't use chopsticks to save my life. It's falling apart. See y'all, for some reason, I'll get it one day, one of these days. This eel, that's good. This ain't gonna last long. I don't know, y'all. I'm just not coordinated enough for it. I guess that's what you would call it. That one was good. That is the eel. That's really good. This was funny. I knew it would be. If you know how to use chopsticks, give me some tips. Because I'm struggling. I mean, I haven't tried to use them in years, so. I haven't done my makeup in a while for y'all. And I didn't get a chance to upload because, well, today's Thursday. with the video isn't coming out until Friday because I had to do this quick. As you can see in the background, it is still daylight. Y'all know it's very rare for me to do a video during the day. But me and the boyfriend had the same days off this week. So while he is out and about, I'm gonna get my eat on. Before we go have a day out together. Let me turn that around. Strawberry sodium. Oh yeah. Woo. That was a good one. I don't even know what's in this. So I think my favorite which is always my favorite, the Shaggy Dog. Shaggy Dog is my favorite. This one could probably use a little bit, dipped in a little soy sauce because it doesn't have a lot of flavor. But the Shaggy Dog, I don't know, y'all. I've never been able to get this right. Like, never. Yeah. The only thing about sushi, you can get full fast because it's a lot of rice. Sticky rice at that. That sticky rice will get you full. But how has y'all's week been? Ouch. I think I have something for us to talk about today. Let's talk about, those are good. Let's talk about, ladies, I mean, women and men, how do you feel? Say if you guys are trying to save money, but you also, every now and then, y'all go on a little date. You go out to eat, and you go have some fun. But if you're saving money, or trying to save money together, do you think it's okay to go half on your date? Y'all been together. You're not your boyfriend and girlfriend, but you've been together for a year, over a year, a couple of years. I understand, you know, if you're brand new going on your first date, yes. Some people think, though, it's okay for a woman to pay. A lot of people think that the man should pay. But if you've been together for a while, you live together, you split bills together, should you split the money that you spend going out? Going out to dinner, and stuff like that. Should you have to split the bill? See, I don't understand how you like come together at the end, but whatever. Hold it sideways. If y'all agree to split everything, but should you split going out? Or like I've done it, is say we go out to eat. You pay for our meal. You pay our ticket at the restaurant. But then say if we go somewhere else, a movie or whatever, then I'll pick up that bill. You know, you picked up the first bill, the going out to eat. I'll pick up the us having fun bill. That's how I feel like it should go. You know, you've been together for a long time. You share money. Why does one person have to pay for everything? But at the same time, would you split everything? Is it fair? Do you feel fair as a woman to have to split? Because if that's the case, we can just stay home, right? I mean, I don't know. There's different scenarios I guess you could go by. Really and truly. Ew. That ew. Cover my face. That was good. How do you ladies feel about that? How do you men feel about that? Or would you say, hey, we don't need to go out if we're trying to save money, right? That's another thing. I guess it just really depends on the scenarios, because say the husband or the guy in the relationship makes more money than the woman. Are you really saving money by me paying half of it? That sounds like you're saving money and I'm not, because you make more money than I do. And it's okay. Like, I paid the bill going out to eat. I've said, hey, you know, let's go here tonight. It's on me. Sometimes I don't feel like cooking. Sometimes I don't feel like buying groceries. Hey, it's on me. Come on. You didn't expect it. You weren't expecting to spend any money. You didn't say, hey, let's go out to eat. I said, hey, let's go out to eat. So in that case, yeah, I got it. Well, yeah, this is definitely gonna be left over. I'm already full. I'll get these things down one of these days. I try to watch Mimi. If y'all know Mimi, if you don't know Mimi, then something's wrong with y'all. I try to watch her. I can't. Look at me over here. I should buy it. No. I really just want. Wow. So we went to main event for the first time. I like Dave & Buster's. I guess I could say that because I've never been to main event. But we went for the first time, and I've been wanting to go bowling, but I've been wanting to go to a place that was like, that has the arcade and bowling. So Dave & Buster's, there's one Dave & Buster's that's closer to us. It doesn't have all that. It's got a pretty small arcade. But there's another one that's a little further, almost an hour from us, that has the bowling alley and pool tables and all that. So we go to main event. I looked up main event. We were passing it. I was like, you know what? Let me look. So the main event is just as close to us as the Dave & Buster's that doesn't have bowling and pool. Well, the main event does have bowling and pool with the arcades. So I was like, yes. So, needless to say, I'm never bowling with nails again. That hurt. That's another reason I haven't went and got them done yet, because every time I would roll the ball, it would grab the end of this nail. And so my finger bed is like so sore right now. Very sore. So that's why I'm like, okay, I had to give it a couple of days to go get some more nails because my fingers are so sore. So now we have somewhere where we can go bowling. And it was his first time ever bowling. And it was so funny because he plays bowling on the app on his phone. So he thought it was gonna be equivalent to that. No, definitely not. He was having a hard time, y'all. I put the bumpers up for him and everything. He was having such a hard time. It was so funny. Hilarious. Y'all, I'm full. I really want to eat more of this. I'm so full. I'd be wondering how, like, I ain't doing this no more. I bet y'all are like, girl, put the chopsticks down. Oh, oh shit. Oh shit. Mm. Mm. Ooh. I'm starting to get a little choked up there, y'all. Ooh. Oh, excuse me. And, you know, I've been trying to do different foods for y'all. So I'm a little different. This soy sauce is super, super salty. That's why y'all see me like knocking some off because I get too much on it. It's very salty. Not bad though. And I'm not big on soy sauce because it is so salty. You don't need much at all. I also want to apologize. I have not been to my subscriber one specifically that has been wanting me to do the beer chugs. I am very sorry. I have not had beer since like Christmas. I kind of just wanted to slow down on the beer, especially when I eat. Because that stuff gets you full. Like a beer gut, you will really... I didn't have no beer gut, but it's a thing. It's a thing. Like, it's not just weight. It's a thing. So if you're eating with a beer on top of that, I had to take a break. Because, ooh-wee. I would just be so miserable. I can take a shot. I would just be so miserable at the end of my videos because that beer topping off the food just, it filled me up so much and it made me so miserable. So I'm taking a break from the beer. We'll see. I am hoping to start getting on an earlier schedule at work, so then I'm not eating dinner. Because we work all day. I work 1 to 10 or 2 to 11. That's all day. That's literally all day. I wake up at 12, 1 o'clock. You know, or on a day that I don't work at like 3, I wake up 11:30, 12 o'clock. I'm not an early person, so by the time I wake up, get myself prepared for the day, go take a shower, get dressed, get ready, I'm on my way to work. There's no time in between that for anything. And then I'm at work all day long. You know, you get off 10, 11 o'clock, what's open? Nothing's open, especially out here. Everything closes at 10 or 11. There's one restaurant, Applebee's. that stays open until 2. That's it. I get tired of Applebee's. Okay? See, especially since that's where everybody likes to go to hang out at the end of the night. So, Applebee's. And so there's nothing for me to do. So I want to have an earlier shift. Because, you know, getting off 10, 11 o'clock, come home, cook. I'm not eating until midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. Excuse me, I got to scratch my nose. Yeah, not eating till almost 2 o'clock in the morning sometimes. So, and then I don't feel like cooking because I've been at work all day. I've been on my feet all day long. I don't want to cook. So now I have to spend money on fast food or spend money on some groceries that's going to make something fast for dinner, a pizza or something like that. Lasagna. So, no, it's just not going to work for me anymore. I need to get off at like 8 o'clock at night. That way I can have dinner by like 9:30. Let it settle and take my happy ass to the gym. Because y'all, I am tired of this. I told my boyfriend, I said, I need a change. I need something different. This stuff has got to go. I'm doing the same thing every day. Miserable. Never have any energy. Always want to sleep because I eat and sit. I don't want to do that anymore. Don't want to do that anymore. I need to get rid of this little double turn them on. You know what I'm saying? Stuff has to go. Well, yeah, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. I'm full. I'm going to get off of here. Boyfriend, I'm sure, is probably on his way home for lunch. Or will be shortly. I am full. I hope you guys enjoyed this sushi video. Please comment down below. Let me know what else you would like to see. Let me know what you thought about the video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one. Mwah.